Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to this beautiful video. Today we are going to talk about something special, crochet flowers. Look at these flowers. They are not rare, but they look so alive. They are made with love, care, and precision. Each petal, each leaf, each stem, all made by hand using just yarn and a look. Crochet is an art. It is a way to create beauty from simple thread. People who make these flowers spend on or even days on their work. They follow patterns, constant stitch, and they put their hearts into every detail, and the result a flower that never fades, never will, and latest forever. Pink rose, white daisy, bright tulips, they all look like real flowers, but they are soft, light, and made from yarn. This shows how talented and creative crochet artists are. Each flower is unique, just like in nature. Know how crochet flowers are exactly the same. The colors, the shades, the style, everything is made with imagination. Crochet flowers are more than decorating. They are symbol of affects and love. You can give them as gifts, use them in your home, or simply keep them to begin joy to your heart. Many people learn crochet from their family, a mother, grandmother, or a friend. So when they crochet, they are not just making something beautiful, they are also keeping a tradition alive. This art brings peace. When someone crochets, they feel calm. Their hands move gently and their mind focuses. It's not just about the flower, it's about the feeling while making it. Let's us thank all the crochet artists out there. Your work is amazing. You turn yarn into beauty, you turn time into friends. This art brings space when someone crochets their feeling claim their hand move gently and their mind focuses not about the flower, it's about the feeling we're making. Let's thanks all the crochet artists out there. Your work is amazing. You can yearn into beauty. You turn time into thanks you for sharing your talent with the world. You inspire